Dear customers, this video guide will give you tips and recommendations on how to get rid of these pop-ups marked as Etnessbr.pro, Etnessbr.pro. As you see, the name of this website doesn't really make any sense at all, but the problem is that these pop-ups are dangerous because they try to infect your computer with a lot of web push notifications. The pop-up indicates that you need to tap the Allow button to continue your browsing. However, it's a trick that leads to a lot of troubles. Because of that, the system may be eventually exposed to all kinds of threats. So be careful, don't click on the Allow. If you have done that by mistake, go to the menu, click on Settings, then you need to go to Site Settings and choose Notifications. And now the Allow area needs to be checked. If you find something suspicious, remove it and delete all these sites that are not decent and genuine. And finally, I recommend checking your Mac additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, so download the software. After it is started, you need to wait until the scanning is completed to see the detailed results. I would like to tell you more about Combo Cleaner trial version, because initially the program is in the trial mode. It has some free features, disk cleaner, big files and duplicates, but as for the antivirus, it's the part of the premium license only. However, it performs free analysis of your Mac, and at the end of scan you will see the report with the exact location of each specific thread. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is the trial version or the premium version, the program will perform free scanning anyway, even with its trial mode. And the good thing about the trial mode of Combo Cleaner is that it lets you find the location of each specific thread. So when you are in the antivirus section, click on Review Results to see the detailed results and the location of each thread. So let's say that we have this very first thread identified. What we could do is to move the mouse next to it, and there will be a special button Show in Finder. So now we will find this malicious program in Finder, and we may right-click on it and move it to the trash. In the same manner you may do with other infected items. Click on Show in Finder, then you will be able to see that specific thread in Finder and to remove it manually. Or of course you may perform the removal automatically with the premium version of the program.